y'all, welcome back to my channel. And my hair is in 2 ponytails today because it's time for the straight hair to go. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing an aloe vera pre-poo treatment because I have to wash my hair. So like I said, I've had my hair straight for about 3 weeks or so that means I've gone a month without washing my hair. I mean, I've used like dry shampoos and dry co-washes and things like that in between, but ain't nothing ever gonna compare to a nice good shampoo. Okay, so I've got my this looks nasty, my aloe vera mix right here, the good stuff. That's what I'm gonna be using on my hair. And then I am going to be using my aloe vera leaves, the leftover pieces, to put on my scalp. But really, this ain't really about the aloe vera pee-poo treatment, so let me scoot that to the side real quick. This video is basically going to be about how y'all are going to see my straight hair revert back curly. And I'm hoping that between the water and the aloe vera that my hair will bounce back. So you guys are basically get to see, like, did I have any heat damage? Because I didn't get a chance to talk about this before, but I hadn't straightened my hair for 3 years before I finally had gotten my hair straightened again. So I was actually a nervous wreck in the chair getting my hair done because I was really worried, like, is my hair gonna be heat damaged? Is 3 years of hard work and taking care of my hair gonna go completely to waste if I don't, you know what I'm saying, if I straighten it? Like, I was just worried. Okay, but guess what, we all gonna find out together. Okay, so we gonna find out how my hair is gonna bounce back. You'll see how it looks, all that good stuff. I even got my little box of goodies, my little hair ties and clips and all that junk. I got a lot of junk in this box. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so I took my first hair tie out. The way I normally do this in order is I normally take my aloe vera pieces and put them on my scalp, then put the aloe vera gel on my hair for the treatment. But I think I'm gonna do it the opposite way today. And I'm probably gonna do the aloe vera pieces, like the leaves, on my scalp off camera, cause yeah, ain't nobody got time for all that, and I gotta go to work today. So yeah, I'm gonna hurry up and film this video. And yeah, so let me get started. Let me stop talking. I talk too much. Okay, so I zoomed in a little bit for y'all so y'all can actually get a good view of my hair. So I'm just gonna take this section here, the back section. It's already a little fluffed up and a little messed up from when I had like went out and my neck was all sweaty, but whatever. So I'm gonna take my water, trusty water bottle, and just spray my hair down and just rub my hair. So I'm just gonna dip my hand in the aloe vera. As you can see, it looks disgusting. That's cool. It's for my hair anyway, not for y'all enjoyment. Just gonna run my fingers through my hair with the aloe vera in it. Okay, so the back is curling up. That's good. My hands back into the aloe vera. Look at it. That's so disgusting. Let me stop. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put more of that aloe vera into my hair. I will be doing a video soon on how I make my aloe vera mix. Take some more water. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush. I got the tangling brush. Focus, please. Thank you. So I got the tangling brush. I'm gonna use that. I'm so nervous, y'all. I don't want my hair to be fucked up or damaged. Oh shit. Y'all see this? This is what I was worried about. See those ends? Those ends. I'm not gonna have this problem. Maybe I'm just being impatient, but that's how my ends are looking. I'm nervous because, uh-oh, they bouncing back. Okay, I see y'all. You know what, y'all? Hold on. I'm gonna go get like a deep conditioner or something else to put on my hair because this aloe vera is just probably not gonna cut it. I'll be back.
2 hours later.
I'm back. Okay. So I just went and got one of my deep conditioners and one of my treatments to use on my hair to see if it would make a difference. So yeah, I will show y'all. So what I'm gonna do is I want to get a close up on this part in particular just to show y'all how I was actually doing my process and how I'm going to be doing my hair. So after I apply the aloe vera to my hair, I'm gonna apply a treatment afterward. And it's basically like a little protein treatment because after I just straightened my hair and put all the damage on it, sis, I needed some protein, okay? Because my hair is probably struggling and suffering. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out a little bit and just kind of speed it up and get into the rest of this hair, y'all, okay? All right, y'all. I have applied all of the product to my hair, from the aloe to the protein treatment, and y'all, my curls are back. I don't see any indication of any heat damage or anything. And I'm sorry if my camera actually cut off. I had to cut it off because for some reason my camera started overheating. I'm gonna take it back to Best Buy and I'm gonna ask them a couple questions because I don't know what that's all about. But anyway, I digress. As you can see, look at my curls. They are back. I'm not sure if I have heat damage yet, but we'll see depending on when I wash my hair. Because I am washing my hair today. Definitely washing it. And oh my God, I am so happy. Y'all should have seen me. I was a nervous wreck. But all I really did was just sit there and play with my hair and scrunch my hair and spray water on it and things like that. Just to kind of, you know, get those curls going a little bit. But yes. So, here is the difference. Straight versus curly. And yes, guys, I am so happy and so... I'm glad to be back curly. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Cause this straight hair was nice. It was really low maintenance for me, which was great. But I miss my curls, y'all. My girls, I love them. Like straight hair is great, but there's nothing that could ever beat my curls. And I am so glad that those 3 years I took with no heat, they weren't for nothing. And me getting my hair straightened this time, I was actually really worried. I really thought I was gonna have heat damage. I thought I was gonna have to cut off a whole bunch of my hair, but I did not even have to do that. Like, I'm just in awe. I'm sorry, y'all. I keep saying that. I'm just so happy and so surprised. So, yep. This is my curly hair, you all. All right, guys. I have completely finished all of my hair. I have gone completely back curly. I still have my treatment sitting in my hair for right now. I meant to put it in a bun or something, but I wanted to show you guys my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for y'all. So this is my hair here. As you can see, I did get my texture back. My ends aren't that bad, which I'm really happy about. And I did go through my hair completely, and I did notice that some parts of my hair that have a tighter curl pattern, the curl pattern isn't as tight. But yeah, I did go through my hair. I went through the entirety of my hair, and there were some parts of my hair that, you know, some of the curls didn't curl back up all the way, but I think that's just gonna take a little bit of time, because this did only take me anywhere from like 10 to 15 minutes to do completely, and that's even with camera setup and light setup and things like that. But yeah, I'm actually really happy with my hair. I'm glad my hair bounced back. I'm glad I don't have as much heat damage as I think, but I'm gonna go through my hair completely after I, like, you know, because it's still dirty too, so my hair is still really dirty. And I noticed that my curls don't look as good when my hair is dirty, and that's even when my hair is curly and when I didn't put heat on it. When it's filthy, my hair don't look good at all. So after I like cleanse it and do another deep conditioner and kind of go through my whole curly hair routine, I'll definitely see how my hair looks, and I will definitely be keeping you guys updated on that. So yeah, thank you all so much for joining me and watching my hair revert from straight to curly. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, so that way you can be notified, excuse me, when I have another video coming out. So yeah, thank you all for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and again, please subscribe to my growing YouTube channel. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, so stay tuned for more hair tutorials from me. All right, bye guys.